Yeah, what time is the line for the ride the longest? Okay, during the year I tried to teach you kind of a shortcut for solving problems when they ask for when something is greatest or something is least. That means they're trying to help, they're asking about an absolute min or an absolute max. Now that you can use notes, my strategy is going to be a little bit different because we can get some things written down without having to have them memorized. But I would memorize one, well, every time they ask for an absolute min or absolute max, it tends to be a little bit different. And depending on the problem, you make a choice as to how to solve the problem. In this particular case, it's easiest to solve the problem by just comparing rates. Because we have the rate at which people enter the line, that's this graph, and we also have the rate at which people leave the line. And what we noticed is, now here they're looking for the longest, we're looking for absolute max. From time equals 0 until time equal 3, the rate at which people enter the line is greater than the rate at which people leave the line. Therefore the line will be getting longer and longer and longer. Then at time equal 3 until time equal 8, the rate at which people leave the line is now always going to be less than 800. Therefore their line will be getting shorter and shorter. That means the line will be longest at time equal 3. If I write that out, I'm going to get 3 points for doing it. So here's how I would write it. I would say for, I like to use this kind of notation, I think it's easier. So time equals 0 up to, not including, time 3, r of t is greater than 800. So the line lengthens. The number of people in line increases. Number of people in line increases. Then for 3, not equal, all the way to and equaling 8, r of t is less than 800. So the number in line the number of people in line decreases. Hence, the line is longest at t equal 3. And you should have units, hours, just in case. If you have an explanation that includes time equal 3 and the rest of the explanation isn't very good, they will give you 1 point for that. If you have this explanation, they'll give you 3 points. You do have to have the wording that's like here, stating that for this time period, r of t is greater than 800, so the number of people in line is going to go up. For this time period, r of t is less than 800, so the number of people in line is going to go down. That's the justification they're looking for.